Hello students, let's we learn from our main course book, Standard 3rd, subject ES, chapter number 16 and chapter name is My House. So dear students, the place where one stays with one family is known as a house or a home, and a house protects us from heat, cold and rain. And a human being is brought up in a house. The base of brotherhood, love and social life is created in a house. So a house makes people's lives happy and prosperous, and this is the reason for the house that the phrase home sweet home. Similarly, houses are of different types. People build various types of houses or home according to their earning or according to the climates. And in many places, a house has to be made according to the climate of that place so that one can live a happy and easy life. So dear students, houses are of various types such as huts, mud houses, boat houses and pakka house, double-storied house, etc. These all are the houses, and people staying in hilly areas make stone and wooden houses. These houses have high sloping roofs. Multi-storied buildings are seen in big cities. These have the facilities of a lift, means elevators. Now this chapter about my house. My name is Nasim. In this chapter, that's boy name is Nasim. I live in Srinagar. Means who? Nasim. Nasim lives in Srinagar. And since yesterday there is lot of activity in our school. It will go on for a week. Do you know why? Who said these all? Nasim. Nasim said that he lives in Srinagar, and yesterday there is lot of activity in our school, means in his schools, and that activity go for a week. Do you know why? There is a camp. Why it is? Because there is a camp being held in our school, and children have come from many places for the camp. Tents have been put in the ground for everyone to stay, and so we have decorated the school beautifully. Who decorated? All the children. And some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers of the doors, and some have made posters using almond shells, while others have made rangolis using dry leaves and sawdust. So dear students, that after that Nasim said, today is the first day of the camp. Today is the first day of the camp. That's why we are very happy. Who are very happy? All the students. And in the morning, we all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle. They all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle. After that, each of us introduced ourselves and spoke about where we came from and what we like to eat. After that, all students spoke about themselves, their families, their houses and what they liked to eat. And children brought picture of their families also and their home also. And everyone spoke about their homes and their Bhupens also. Bhupen group was the first to talk. Then what Bhupen say? Bhupen introduced himself and said, I have come from Molan village. He come from Molan village in Assam, and it rains heavily in our place. Hence our houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. Where that Bhupen come from? He come from Molan village, that is in Assam, and in that village it rains heavily. That's why their houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground, and they are made on strong bamboo pillars, and inside of their houses are also made of wood. And after that, the turn is Chameli. It was Chameli turns. So what she said? She said, I have come from Manali. Where he come from? He come from Manali, which is a hilly area. At our place, it rains heavily and snow as well. In that place, it rains heavily and snow also fall. When it is very cold, we like to sit in the sun. During the cold time, she likes to sit in the sun, and their houses are made of stone and wood. So dear students, now the third, Mithali and Anuj. Mithali and Anuj have come from Rajkot. They come from Rajkot, and they showed the picture of Rajkot to everyone. They brought the picture of Rajkot. That's why they showed the picture of Rajkot to everyone. In one picture, seeing very high buildings, Bhupen say, "Oh, such tall houses, how do you climb up?" In that picture, in all जितने भी picture थे, that in one picture seeing is very high building. वो सब एक picture में क्या था? Very high building. That after seeing that Bhupen said, "Oh, such tall houses, how do you climb up?" आप लोग ऊपर कैसे जाते हो? Now after that, Kashiram told everyone. Now it's turn to Kashiram. What he said? He said that I have come from Rajasthan. He's come from Rajasthan, and rainfall is very scarce in our area. That's why it is very hot too. And we live in mud houses. The walls of the houses are very thick. The walls of Bhupen houses are very thick, and these houses are plastered with mud. The house of Kashiram plastered with mud, and the roofs are made of thorny bushes. That the roofs are made of thorny bushes. In the same way, all the groups spoke about their houses after the introduction. After the introduction, they all spoke about their houses, and a cultural program was held. The children performed various dances, and they sang folk songs in their own language. After that, they performed various dances and sang folk song in their own languages, and everybody had kahwa with almonds and cardamoms. We really enjoyed ourselves. Who said this? All the children. And after that, in the evening, we all went to the Dal Lake. Where they went? They went to the Dal Lake. We saw a houseboat there. They saw a houseboat, and we sat in a shikhara, and some children moved the oars. we saw the Char Chinars surrounded by blue mountains. Now here are some tick or writes, it means true or false of this chapter. Let's we read. First, the number of कच्चा houses is more in cities. Cities में कच्चा हाउस ज़्यादा होता है या पक्का हाउस? पक्का हाउस. That's why the number of कच्चा houses is more in cities. Wrong. Second number, the roof of पक्का houses is made of iron or cement. The roof of पक्का houses is made of iron or cement. It is true. Third number, Kashmiri people stay in houses made from ice known as igloos. False, means wrong. Fourth number, a boat with a house made on it is known as a houseboat. A boat with a house that is made on it is known as a houseboat. Yes, true. People live in terraced houses in areas of heavy rainfall. False. And last one, there are more than 5 stories in a multi-storied buildings. True. Now let's read all with answer. The number of kacha houses is more in cities. False. The roof of pakka houses is made of iron or cement. True. Kashmiri people stay in houses made from ice known as igloos. False. A boat with a house made on it is known as a houseboat. True. People live in terraced houses in areas of heavy rainfall. False. There are more than 5 stories in a multi-storied building. True. Now next one, match the columns. First one, snow house, drink of Kashmir, Dal Lake, a building with many stories. Now B, multi-storied building, igloo, kawa, sikara. Now we match snow house, here igloo, right here one, drink of Kashmir, kawa, Dal Lake, easy, sikara, and last one, a building with many stories, then multi-storied building, right here 4. So students, here are some questions of this chapter. First one, in which area is Chameli's house? चमेली का हाउस कौन से एरिया में था? दैट्स नेम चमेली हाउस इज इन मनाली विच इज अ हिली एरिया. मनाली में था और वो कौन से एरिया है? हिली एरिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट आर द सिमिलैरिटीज इन द रूफ्स ऑफ चमेलीज एंड भूपेन हाउस? सिमिलैरिटीज क्या था? चमेली हाउस और भूपेन हाउस के रूफ में सिमिलैरिटी क्या था? देन चमेली स्टे इन मनाली एंड भूपेन स्टेज इन आसाम. Therefore, both these areas receive heavy rainfall and the roof of their houses are sloping. हेवी रेनफॉल होने की वजह से उनका रूफ कैसा था? स्लोपिंग था. एंड दिस इज द सिमिलैरिटीज बिटवीन चमेली एंड भूपेन हाउसेस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ डू रूफ्स हेल्प इन देयर एरिया? जो स्लोपिंग रूफ था वो कैसे हेल्प करता था उसमें? देन इट इज ओनली रेन्स और heavy rainfall in Manali. That's why, sorry, heavy rainfall and snow also. Rainfall तो आता ही था, साथ साथ snow भी. That's why the roof here are sloping instead of collecting on the roof, and rainwater as well as the snow fall down quickly. That the sloping roof helps rain and snow flow down quickly. Now the next one, how is a houseboat different from other houses? Houseboat other houses से different कैसे है? And the answer, the houseboat floats on water on it as it builds on a lake, and while other houses stay firmly on the ground where they are built. This is the difference between houseboat and other houses. Now, how do people go up in multi-storied buildings? How do people go up in multi-storied building? People go up in the multi-storied building with the help of lifts. Now, next one, in which area is नसीम्स हाउस? नसीम हमने चैप्टर पढ़ा, उसमें कौन था? नसीम भी था. तो नसीम का हाउस कौन से एरिया में था? दैट द नसीम हाउस इज इन श्रीनगर. नेक्स्ट वन, इन विच एरिया इज भूपेन हाउस? भूपेन का हाउस कहाँ पे? इज इन मोलन. दैट द भूपेन हाउस इज इन Molan, and Molan is in Assam. Now the next one, in which area is मितालीज and अनुज house? मिताली और अनुज कहाँ के रहने वाले थे? उनका घर कहाँ था? मिताली and अनुज house is in Rajkot. They come from Rajkot. And in which area is काशीराम हाउस? कौन से एरिया में काशीराम का घर था? दैट द काशीराम इज फ्रॉम राजस्थान. हिज हाउस इज इन राजस्थान.